Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this wireless Lavalier microphone set from Apexel. This is a very special set because it has two excellent features. It has very long wireless reach and it has really great noise suppression. So this seems to be very interesting. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you all the parts connected to my phone and then test it outside in real life. And so here's the box also with some kind of description. Here the spec and here the main features. So let's open it, see what we get. Comes with this instructions manual which shows all the parts which we get and the specs and how to use. It comes also with this very nice case here. Yeah, solid one, good protection, really solid. And so here we have all the parts. We have the two transmitter and the one receiver. They are really small, have a sturdy build. They are lightweight. So if you have it clipped like on your t-shirt, it doesn't pull down really hard. So not only the two microphones, but also the receiver comes with the same clip. We get even a pair of earphones for live monitoring. Then a 2-in-1 USB-C cable for charging, a lightning adapter cable for Apple devices, a normal USB-C to USB-C, more like for Android, and 3.5mm cable for all other devices, especially for DSLR cameras. And we get also two windsocks, so we just center it on the top, we push it down, it has a nice hold. This can be also very beneficial, especially for outside, but it has already built-in pop effect suppression. To connect, it's important to start the transmitters and receivers at about the same time. Here is a long press and here on top as well. So they should go into orange here and here into green. So this is the default setting with the noise cancellation, but we can also turn off the noise cancellation and then it goes into green here as well and green. So we have 3 times green. And as optional functions, we have the reverberation here. Reverberation test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with just a push here, we can turn it off. We see this blinking light. The power buttons on the microphone work also as a mute button. When we just press, you can see it goes into blinking, which means it's on mute. We press again, goes into normal transmission. And so I'm connecting here the receiver to my phone with the short USB-C cable. So what's really cool is how easy this is to use. After connecting the receiver to the phone, it's already ready to record. We don't have to install driver or an app or do special settings. We can just click on the microphone and start recording. And instead of recording from the built-in microphone, it will now record from the receiver or actually from this microphone here. So as a test for the microphone quality and the wireless reach, I'm going now outside. I've turned on the AC, probably you can hear it in the back, but outside it's much louder. So we'll have a really nice test of the microphone and we can also compare it then to the built-in microphone of the GoPro. So I'm going to start to record with the GoPro and this microphone at the same time. So I've been doing now a lot of tests outside. I went to the outside unit of the AC, it was very loud. And so I've tested now the microphone with the noise cancellation and without the noise cancellation. So first let's start without the noise cancellation. And now this is a test. I'm just about 2 feet away from the outside unit of the AC with the Lavalier microphone without the noise cancellation. Now I'm turning on the noise cancellation. So this should be now with the noise cancellation, same distance, very close, about 2 feet from the outside unit of the air conditioner, very loud. So I think it really did a great job regarding the noise cancellation. I mean, you can still hear the AC running in the background, which is a good thing. So it doesn't filter out everything. You get still an idea where you are. Sometimes these microphones are cancelling everything out. Then it sounds like you are in a studio or so. But usually it sounds much more realistic or natural when you still hear a couple of things. But of course the voice is then most dominant when you have the noise cancellation. This is exactly how we want it. And now let's compare it to the audio of the GoPro Media Mod microphone. And now as a comparison, you can hear the audio from the GoPro 10 Black media mode. I mean, you can still understand me with the GoPro media mode microphone, but it's rather hard to understand me. So huge advantage for this microphone regarding noise cancellation. And in general, I would say it has also a very decent microphone quality. It has decent sensitivity, and it also has a pretty natural tone, I would say. And what I really like is that I couldn't hear any difference between the noise cancellation and without noise cancellation in a quiet room. So you can actually always have the noise cancellation on. Test in a rather quiet environment with the noise cancellation. Now without the noise cancellation. Now again with the noise cancellation. With a lot of similar microphones, it's a huge difference between the noise cancellation and without the noise cancellation. The tone is then totally different, and people would then notice that it's not the same thing. Here it's absolutely no different. Regarding wireless range, I couldn't test it for 50 meters because I don't have this distance here. But as far as I had visual connection, there was absolutely no problem. So I have no doubt that this could go up to 50 meters or even more. Of course, when you have a wall in between, then there can be some interference. I've been walking around the home and then in a sudden it started to break off. But when I came around the corner, it was instantly reconnecting. So I think it has one of the longest wireless ranges which I've ever seen. And also during the whole recording process, I didn't have any wind noise or pop effect or so. But again, of course, if you are really doing outside recording, then we can use the windsock on top, especially if it's windy condition. So I would say it's a very decent set, especially when we think about the very low price, how it's listed at the moment. I think it's available for around $60 or so for the whole set with everything, all the cables, the charging cable, connection cable, 2 microphones and a receiver, easy to use. So if you don't have like a professional expectations, if it's just like for normal YouTubing or for you personal recordings or so, then I would say it's definitely one of the best options which you can get for this price. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.